The Mack R600 truck is not only a symbol of strength and durability but also a symbol of innovation and high performance in the transportation industry. Designed to handle heavy loads and difficult road conditions, the Mack R600 excels when faced with the challenges of carrying long, heavy loads of wood. The sturdy chassis helps reduce vibration and ensures safety for both vehicle and cargo. This video shows the difficulties and challenges that logging trucks like the Mack R600 face when traveling on winding, rough roads and even muddy terrain. In such a difficult situation, support from bulldozers is indispensable. The bulldozer plays an important role in helping trucks overcome these difficult and muddy roads. Close collaboration between trucks and bulldozers is key to overcoming the road's challenges. The Mack R600 is not only a means of transportation, but also a symbol of professionalism and reliability in the freight industry. With stable operation and tight control, drivers can trust the vehicle's performance in all situations. Faced with the difficulties and challenges of the road, the Mack R600 sends a clear message of strength and stability, and is a great encouragement to long-distance logging truck drivers.
Long-distance logging truck drivers are soldiers of the road, heroes known for their dedication and perseverance. They are the ones who master the countless secrets of winding, steep, and challenging roads. Each of their journeys is not just a trip, but a tough challenge. Day and night, through wind and rain, their trucks travel long distances, from deep forests to manufacturing plants. Long-distance logging truck drivers are not simply important transporters of goods but also custodians of the culture and traditions of the driving profession. They face dangerous roads and harsh weather, but still maintain their spirit and dedication to their profession. Each logging truck is a work of art, with images of giant logs tightly arranged on the vehicle.
This dangerously steep road is a real challenge for long-distance logging truck drivers, where they face steep gradients and dangerous turns. This is not just a road, but an endless challenge that requires professionalism and excellent driving skills. When the heavy logging truck begins to climb a steep hill, the driver must combine engine power and flexible driving techniques. Faced with heavy loads and difficult inclines, they need to work with the transmission and braking systems in the most efficient way. This is the Pete 359 Classic that long-distance logging truck drivers want to own. By Peterbilt 359 Classic is an icon in the long-haul and heavy-haul truck industry. With its classic design and powerful engine, this vehicle has attracted the attention and trust of many long-distance logging drivers. The power of the Pete 359 Classic lies not only in its powerful engine but also in the comfort and convenience of the cabin, creating favorable conditions for long journeys. A comfortable driver's seat and flexible and modern dashboard layout help create a convenient working environment for the driver. Peterbilt 359 Classic is not only strong in appearance, but also powerful inside. With its powerful engine, it not only overcomes any terrain but also ensures performance and reliability on every trip. From the paint job to the decorative accessories, the Peterbilt 359 Classic is a mobile work of art, expressing the driver's passion and love for long-distance driving. This is a dangerous difficulty that heavy wood truck drivers have to face every day and every hour. Looking here, we can see that courage and teamwork in the driving community are the main factors to overcome these difficulties. Support, understanding and sharing of experiences between drivers play an important role in ensuring safety and success on the road. Thank you to the heavy timber truck drivers who make important contributions to industry and sustaining vital resources for society. An interesting tour of the Collins Lakeview Sawmill in Lakeview, Oregon for those interested in the wood industry and wood processing. White pine logs are processed and formed into wooden bars with special sizes and requirements to meet customer needs. White pine logs are inspected right from the input stage so that the final product meets the highest quality. The factory's customers can order wooden slats with specific dimensions and properties, and the factory will produce those products based on specific requirements. This type of machine will be responsible for pushing plenty peeled wooden bars onto the conveyor belt, from where they will be transferred to the sawing machine. The saw machine part plays an important role in the wood processing process at the sawmill. The saw, controlled by a skilled craftsman, will perform the wood cutting process. The white pine logs will be placed on the work table of the saw, and the machine will make precise cuts based on the previously set parameters and dimensions. Next on the production line, the sawn wooden boxes will be sent to the next sawmill at the Collins Lakeview Sawmill in Lakeview, Oregon. This saw is responsible for converting wooden boxes into small wooden panels. When the wooden boxes are placed on the sawing machine's work table, the precise and sharp saw blades will perform the cutting process precisely according to the previously established parameters and dimensions. This helps create wooden panels with uniformity and high quality, in accordance with customer requirements. After being sawed into small wooden panels, these wooden bars will be pushed up the chain. At this point, the sorting machine will take on an important task in the production process. The sorting machine is designed to identify and sort wooden bars of similar size and weight into corresponding batches. Wooden bars of the same size and weight will be transferred to the same pile. This helps increase uniformity in the sorting and storage process, thereby making warehouse and transportation management more efficient. Classification process. Wooden bars of the same size and weight will be placed into piles, ready for the next drying process. To move these piles of wood to the drying house, the Collins Lakeview Sawmill uses a forklift. The forklift is an important tool that helps lift and move heavy loads easily and safely. The White Pine Wood Bar Factory has put into use a modern production process using a variety of advanced machinery and equipment. From peeling to sawing and grading, the entire process is automated to optimize productivity and product quality. Powerful machinery and engines are integrated from start to finish of the production line, helping to improve production capabilities and reduce work complexity. Automation also has the benefit of ensuring consistent quality of the final product. Create white pine wood bars with uniform quality characteristics, meeting customer requirements and expectations. The packaging process at the factory is also very careful and high quality. The factory will wrap the package to create a suitable protective layer, helping to protect the product from environmental and transportation impacts. These strict and professional packaging rules will ensure that white pine bars from the Collins Lakeview factory will reach customers safely and intact.